Hi Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, okay? So not all of you can resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Virgo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you for this week of July. Virgo, please. Energies and messages for Virgo. Okay. Marriage, okay. Some of you are married, okay. May mga concerns, may mga issues, okay, na kailangan i-tackle about your marriage, about your relationship. July. This month of July may be memorable for you. It is going to be important. May mga pangyayari or may mga ganap na importante para sa inyo, Virgo. Seahorse, family matters, okay? May mga pag-uusapan about family issues, okay? Family concerns, yes. Tiger, doing something risky, taking a chance. Yung iba sa inyo, you'll be taking a chance. It might be sa career, in your relationship, in your finance, okay? Sa work ninyo. You will be doing or making bold moves. Okay? First, pay attention to your finances. And we have the kite, vacation. Yung iba sa inyo, nagbabalak, nagpaplano magbakasyon if you are working or living abroad. Okay? May plans kayo na umuwi and to meet your family, maybe this month of July. Okay? Also, you have to manage well, balance your finances. You will be meeting your spouse. Okay? Let us see ano yung mga messages or energies from the tarot for Virgo. Virgo, please. Energies and messages for Virgo. Ano yung mga ganap? Ano yung mga paparating for Virgo, please? Virgo. Virgo. You are very protective of your family, okay? Parang gagawin mo ang lahat para makapag-provide ng maayos, mabigyan ng magandang kinabukasan ang inyong family, ang inyong mga anak. Okay? You are very protective and defensive in your finances. May mga kailangan kayong harapin na issues, okay? At kailangan pagdesisyonan. For some of you, you are dealing with a Leo, a fire sign, okay? May mga issues, family matters, okay? May mga problema that you have to forgive, okay? May mga harshness na nangyayari. Okay. You are the person na meron kang kakayahan na gawin ang mga kailangan just to move forward, okay? Makasurvive. Gagawin mo ang lahat para sa iyong pamilya. Marami na rin kayong mga challenges, mga kahirapan na pinagdaanan, Virgo. And you're still there. You are brave and courageous. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng solusyon kung ano man ang mga difficulties, mga differences in the family There will be a solution. You will be victorious in handling issues or problems. Okay? May mga new ideas ka, bright ideas na naisip. Okay? Mga paraan para ma-improve ang inyong finances. May mga breakthroughs na mangyayari sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? Na makapag-provide ng stability sa inyong buhay, sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong career, sa inyong personal life. Okay? Yeah. But there are also challenges sa umpisa. Kung ano man to ang inyong uumpisahan, Virgo, it will be a challenging one for you, but you will be able to go through it, to overcome it. Okay? Yeah. Okay. May mga insufficiency or delays when it comes to money. Okay? You feel na parang may kulang, may insufficiency sa inyong pera, okay, sa inyong allowance or budget. Okay? You don't want to be in this situation. You are very protective of yourself and your family. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are experiencing a challenging life financially. Okay? Unemployed or unsuccessful self-employment. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, merong kakulangan sa mga resources. Kaya hindi makausad. Okay? Yeah. Nag-iisip kayo ng mga ways and paraan para kumita, Virgo. And kung ano man to, yung mga breakthroughs or projects or new ideas na naisip ninyo, it's going to be a best time for you. Okay? A successful time para makapag-proceed ka. Ituloy mo lang ang inyong plans. Okay? Yeah. You really want to be financially secured, financially dependent. Okay? Ayaw mong dumepende sa ibang tao. You are a hardworking person. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are enjoying self-employment. You are a successful entrepreneur. Okay? You're spending time alone and enjoy your wealth, enjoy your money, your savings. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are also looking sa mga lupa. Naghahanap pa kayo ng mga lupa, Virgo, or properties. Money will come to you. You will have enough para makapag-provide ka sa inyong mga pangangailangan, Virgo. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are being wise and smart when it comes to money matters, okay? When it comes to your resources, you are being practical and smart at the same time. You are wise. Yeah. You will be studying, okay, learning something Yung nasabi ko kanina, may mga new ideas kang naiisip. And you feel na kailangan mo i-improve ang sarili mo. May pag-aaralan ka, Virgo. Gusto mo i-hone ang iyong mga skills, ang iyong talent. Okay? Na makakatulong sa'yo somehow to become financially independent. Okay? Yeah. Yes, you are interested of joining a team, a class, okay? There will be someone na tutulong sa inyo, will partner up with you, okay? For some of you. There will be someone na tutulong sa inyo all throughout sa area na to. Okay? A younger person, Virgo. You are very interested to know more about things. Yung pag-aaralan ninyo or yung itong trainings na to. Okay? May mga iniisip ka, Virgo, may mga wini-welcome ka na mga new ideas, new perspective, but right now, parang wala ka pang magawa. You're being still, okay? You are thinking about things sa mga plans mo. Yeah? You just go with the flow. Kung ano yung meron kayo ngayon, kung ano yung circumstance nyo, kung ano yung situation mo, you are just accepting it, okay? You are embracing it, and at the same time, wini-welcome mo yung mga new ideas, mga new insights na pwede mong matutunan along the way, okay? You are accepting your current condition. To pave way, okay? Na para maging successful, maging okay lang ang lahat. Yes. This is, ito yung mga kailangan, Virgo. This attitude, okay? Let go of control issues. You cannot control everything, okay? Yes, you are looking forward to be successful sa iyong gagawin, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, nakikilala kayo sa inyong ginagawa, maybe a passion project, a creative project that you've been doing, na kumpleto mo, nagawa mo ng maayos ang inyong trabaho, ang inyong ginagawa, okay? Yung mga tao nagse-celebrate, yung mga trabaho mo, okay. but hindi lahat ng tao masaya for you. So be aware of that, Virgo. Okay? May times na parang feeling mo hindi mo kaya, nagdadalawang isip ka, okay? Parang hindi ka ganun ka-confident na magagawa mo ang isang bagay, okay? Nagkakaroon ka ng mga negative thoughts. Follow your intuition, Virgo. Okay? Yeah, negative thinking. Okay? Parang feeling mo may mga nagbablock sa'yo para hindi mo magawa yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Pero sa isip mo lang yan, Virgo. Okay? Follow your intuition. Believe in yourself. clear your mind, Virgo, para makapag-isip ka din ng maayos kung ano yung mga best course of action na gagawin mo. Yes. You will be receiving information, okay? Kung ano man to, yung mga plans mo na gagawin, there's no stopping it. Okay? Delays will be over. Kailangan mong mag-proceed. Kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Marami kang mga gagawin. You will be busy, Virgo. And this is something na fulfilling para sa'yo. You will be happy, you will be satisfied, emotionally happy, you will be proud of this sa mga gagawin mo. Okay? And at the same time, many things will be happening at once. Parang sunod-sunod, madami kang gagawin. Na-excite ka rin, nagagawin mo tong bagong gagawin mo, okay? It may be a training, a school, okay? New projects, passion projects, you will be excited about it. You will feel dignified. Okay. Okay. Just believe in yourself. If you want to be independent, financially secured, independent, if you feel na may kailangan kang i-achieve, then go for it. Believe in yourself. Huwag mag-isip ng negative, Virgo. Okay. Yeah. You will be doing something, okay? Launching a creative project, okay? May mga gagawin ka, may mga plans ka. Kailan mo na siya gawin. It's time to give birth sa mga pangarap mo, sa mga plans mo. Do it, okay? Yeah. Magiging busy ka. Okay? So, parang ang bilis na mga pangyayari bago ka umaksyon. I-review mo muna everything. Okay, yung mga options mo. Ano mo yung mga gagawin. Okay, be ready. Get ready. Yeah, you will be pursuing your dreams. Kung ano yung gusto mo, Virgo, you will be pursuing it. So, temporarily, you will be leaving something. Either some other task or job. Okay? Para gawin mo kung ano yung plans mo, yung ambisyon mo. Okay, para sa goals mo. Okay. It's going to be a successful time for you. Okay. Let us see ano yung message from the angel for Virgo, please. Virgo. Virgo. Face your financial fears. When you are honest with yourself about fears of success or failure, they can no longer control you. Be free of hidden fears by exposing them to the light of awareness, and you will realize that you in fact have nothing to fear, and that every successful person has struggled with and released these self-doubts. Okay? Another message for you from angel number for Virgo, please. Number 15. If you keep seeing number 15, your love for others is powerful and you are able to spread your gift of support far and wide. You are curious and social nature brings you in contact with a variety of people, all who would benefit from your warm, heartfelt words of wisdom. I am wise. Okay? So this is the message for you, Virgo. Thank you so much and see you on the next video. Bye.